Today I'm going to show you my first steps in my game developing process. In the last video I talked about what my steps are and what I have to do. I started with an idea how my space station should look like, so I can design the space station. I started to pixel the space station in Paint, and when I was finished I started to build it in Blender. I know in the last video I said that I wanted to pixel the space station, but I began to build it in Blender because I thought I should give it a try so I can see what it also looks like in 3D. And I spent a lot of time in Blender creating the space station because I maybe wanted to do a 3D game. But I talked about that with my friends because my first plan was to build a mobile game, and they said that I should keep developing a computer game because they don't like mobile games. So I kept building the space station in Blender. In this night I discussed a lot with myself, and I said to myself that my goals were to develop a mobile game, so I'm going to develop a mobile game. And after this night I started to watch videos about how to pixel items and other things so I can pixel everything, and I think the 3D model of the space station is maybe going to be used in another game that I wanted to develop, because in this process where I developed that space station in Blender I thought that I can use it in another game that I wanted to create, because I got a really nice idea about another game, but I don't want to build two games at the same time, so I'm going to develop that game maybe in 4, 5, 6 months when I'm finished with this game. And yes, after I watched a lot of videos I wanted to start, but I didn't have the really good programs, so I downloaded Sprite, and I'm going to show you how I'm pixeled the other things in the next video, because this video is an update video about the process. And yes, I learned a lot in this week, because I know how exactly I wanted to build the mobile game, and I created a lot of new things, and I'm more clear about the actual game idea. So I think this helped the game a lot, and I think this is going to be useful. So in the next video I'm going to start to pixel the astronaut and other assets, and I would say till then, bye.